What's up, guys? It's Rick. Welcome to Crown Rick Auto. First, I want to apologize for not posting in so long, but I've been feeling so demotivated and overwhelmed. I had to take a mini vacation. I went out to Vegas. I went out to the Grand Canyon in Arizona. It was freaking awesome. But now I'm back to this crazy shop, so expect videos on a regular basis now. And what the hell is he doing? Yeah, I didn't miss that. And I want to give a huge shout out to Jackery for sponsoring this video. So many of you guys know there is no electricity out here. So I rely on the solar generator Jackery Explorer 1500 to power and charge up all my devices, tools, and appliances. The powerful Jackery Explorer 1500 provides an impressive 1500 watt-hour capacity that can power up to 85% of all appliances. I'm talking sanders, power tools, refrigerators, blenders, microwave, shampoos, and vacuums. It has 3 AC pure sine wave outlets, a USB-C, quick charge USB, a 12-volt car port. It even has a flashlight. How cool is that? You could charge with a regular wall outlet, a 12-volt car port to charge on the go, and my favorite and fastest way to charge is with 4 Jackery 100-watt solar panels. Guys, gas generators are a smelly, noisy thing of the past. It's 2021, time to switch over to the solar generator Jackery Explorer 1500. Links are in the description. I got a really good one for you guys this time. This is a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. So the average person gets searched by the police. We here at Crown Rick Auto, we do the complete opposite and we search the police. And oh boy, the things we find in these cars, wow. You gotta see it to believe it. Just look at all these goodies. Oh, look, we have spotlights. And oh, look at this mirror, side mirror light. And we have CPI siren speaker. Nice. But take a look at this light bar. This looks like yeah, it is. It's actually a Federal Signal Vector. Oh, and look at these antennas. It looks like they went an extra mile to hide where this vehicle came from. Look at that. This is straight up grinded off. This is grinded. Wow. But don't worry. We are going to play investigator and we're going to figure out what is the story behind this car.
This light bar gives me Las Vegas vibes.
I know, right? That's exactly what I'm thinking.
We should put it on the Vegas car.
Dude, we should. But first, let's try to see if we can get it going. And then we're totally going to put that on the Vegas project. All right, let's start our search from the front and work our way to the back. Look at this. Handcuffs. I think,
They look like Peerless handcuffs.
what is this? Ooh.
Right whistle?
No, it's not a whistle. It's a USB flash drive. 8 gigabytes. Yeah. Stick to the end. I'll show you guys what's on this thing. Oh yeah, you got the tough bug. Come, we can plug it in. All right, stick to the end. I'll show you what's in this thing. Look at this car. It's got the pedal adjusters and traction control on off. It's really dirty in here. Looks like we have a Troy center console. This is a Motorola MCS 2000. And we have a Smart Siren SM by Federal Signal. That is what you would use to control this. Yeah. Oh, and we got a Troy product gun lock. Sweet. We gotta find this key though. Radio speakers back there. There's 2 of them, which is very interesting. What the hell are you doing? Funny man, no!
We've been trying to reach you concerning your car's extended warranty. We are giving you a final courtesy call before we close out your file.
What the? No more scams, funny man. Oh, nothing in there. What is this? Some sort of seeds. Whoa, look at that. That looks like weed. But yeah, look at this color scheme though. It's a little weird. See that? It's a little different. Oh, what do we have here? Super hidden. I think this is probably the steady burn red. Because this doesn't have steady burn. And all California police cars need to have steady burn. Wheelin' Talon Super LED Red. Check it out, so clean. Alright, so a lot of people ask me, what is it that I do here? I basically buy and fix up old police cars and I sell them to security companies. I sell them to civilians, and you know, the funnest part of all this is searching the cars, searching them for goodies. Look at this Motorola MCS. Just gonna add this to the collection. Smart siren. There should be a brain in the trunk. It's gun lock. Hopefully there's a biscuit in here. Oh, there's something in there. Gotta find a way to open this up. Please be a biscuit. Cigarettes. Ooh, money. And somebody's lucky cigarette. 1, 2, 3. Enough for a triple shot espresso. Whoa, what the heck? Secret stash. Gregory? It's kind of scary. What the bro, what the hell is this? This thing is super heavy. This is crazy. So somebody had all this locked away for a reason. Looks like something that would take down an airplane or a freaking tank or something. You know what? Let's go put this thing to the test. I'm real curious of what this does. Look at this. A Streamlight charging station. I don't make much money here. My YouTube CPM is astronomically low, but I love rescuing old police cars. I entertain my hobby and it keeps the lights on. Plus, I love making videos for you guys. Anyways, what is this? We gotta check this out. All right, let's see. Oh, I was not expecting red and blue. Wow. What the heck is this thing anyways? And why is it in a white box? Oh, what is all this car spaghetti? So we have some Code 3 lights here. We're gonna test these out as well. Some sort of bracket probably to hold those lights. Oh, sick. See what this back button does. Okay, it changes the patterns. Many different patterns. What is this? It looks like some type of bracket to hold the microphone. It's pretty interesting. Engine blown. Do not drive. What? All right, let's start this baby up. Okay, this hood won't stay open, but we're using let's go. All right, start it up. Ooh. The exhaust is leaking. Exhaust leak. Look, flares under the hood, because that's a great place to store them. Wonder what this is for. Oh, maybe like just for accessories. This little metal piece right here. Please be a biscuit. No biscuit. No. Emergency survival blankets. Huh. Made for America's soldiers and special forces. What is that?
Gun lock timer.
Oh, gun lock timer. But there's no gun locks. Very disappointing. All right, let's check the back. What is that? Nice. Rear third brake lights. Get the tools and remove that. Okay, so apparently these are MTech deck. Let's slide them up. All right, got it connected. Oh yeah, look at that. Very nice. Danger, confined space. Enter by permit only. So I need a permit to come in here. Oh, look at that. Leg iron shackles. Yeah. Not only are you handcuffed, but you're also shackled. Scary. Packable jacket. Makes sense. So another one of these. Okay, let's take a look in the back. The other side. Amber spotlight. Interesting. Oh, sick. This is LED. Nice. Yeah. Oh, gross needles. I hate needles. Biological specimen. Broken lock. Sodium fluoride. Oh yeah, there goes the other one. All right, maybe if I can clean them up and they're red and blue, I can add them to the movie car. Okay, let's test it out. Nice. Yeah, clean. Oh, more needles. Needles and injections. Looks like CCV vaccine. Kills virus. Oh, nice. Please be a biscuit. I ain't talking about bread. Ooh, what? Some type of beacon? What are these diapers? What the heck? This thing is heavy. There's something in there.
You even open it.
Of course, to the stomach. Chicken and rice. That's weird. Why would they have it in there? Hey, look, it's baby dynamites. What the heck? What are these, like 1 minute? Oh, 10-minute flares. Oh, let's go ahead and let's light this one up.
Right here?
Yeah, you can light it right there. You holding it like you're sick bastard. Oh, whoa. Watch out. That thing just burned me.
Really?
Little things are flying this way. Catch me on fire. What if it's dynamite? Boom! Hey, you know what? We could boil that, the chicken. I said, bring it over here. We're gonna cook some chicken. Don't stare at it too much. You can just leave it there, let it cook on its own. While we continue our search. Speaking of cooking, this looks like some type of cooking set. Yeah, cooking set. See? This looks pretty freaking new. Bro, look. This is perfect.
You hear it sizzling?
Oh, yeah, we're going to be cooking with flares today. Awesome. All right, we're going to add a big boy flare to it to speed up the cooking. Our chicken and rice. Extra large caution tape. We could totally use it, seal off our area, and keep all the criminals away. Another light. All right, let's test this out. Okay, we got a red light. Oh, whoa. Extreme. A piece of a push bar. It's like one side of a push bar.
Looks like the older one. Right?
Yeah, the PB100. Oh, remember how we found that gun lock timer? It's a gun lock right here.
Oh, yeah.
Sweet. This is an overhead one, I think. Either for the trunk or overhead inside. Movie car, maybe?
Questions?
Maybe. Yeah.
Comments? Could make our chicken and rice with that.
Oh, there you go. Cooking tool. How's our thing doing anyways? We got some little... Oh, shit! What the hell? Oh, ow! Ow, my back is burning.
That was hot.
Oh, shoot. Ow. Oh, my god. Our chicken exploded. I wasn't expecting that.
You okay?
Yeah, I just got burnt. Some of the stuff flew on my back.
Hot as shit, lying all over me.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and your back too. Yeah, yeah. There's rice on you. Oh my goodness, that thing was hot. I literally felt like I got shot because I heard the big boom, and I just felt something boiling hot in my back, and I was like, oh.
Alright, open the doors.
All right, guys, so now I'm gonna paint her up, but first we're gonna have to peel it, do whatever we gotta do, and here we go. Ta-da! 2 weeks later, and here she is. I ended up taking off the little side mirror things. I have to repaint the grill, have some temporary lights on here for now, but she came out so clean. I'm not gonna lie, I felt too lazy to remove this ugly thing. So I changed that ugly mix match scheme, changed it up a little bit. I did leave the 2 speakers in here, cleaned her up a bit. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, and I fixed that stupid exhaust leak. Let me show you what she sounds like now. Oh, much better. Yeah. She has 182,000 miles. Yeah, it's a lot, but doesn't mean she doesn't deserve any love. Okay, I cleaned her up a little bit more. I touched up the rims. I threw the grill on there. I still need new lights. And I put this thing back on. Okay, so I decided that we're gonna shoot this thing right here. This is a typical washer. Let's see what this thing will do to this. And we're gonna shoot it from right over here. So that's about what, 12 feet? All right, put it to the test. Here we go. All right, it's getting dark quick, so I gotta hurry up. So this is gonna take some maneuvering to get in there. I can't really do it with two hands though. Oops. All right, hold up. Okay, let's check the damage. Holy smokes. This thing is huge. Okay, went through here. Oof. Went through there. Came out right there. Let's see if it came out the back. Oh! Oh! I was not expecting it to come out through there. Oh, then it went in there. Don't tell me it came out. So it came out right there. And it scraped right there, I'm guessing. But didn't actually go through this. I don't see the piece anywhere. It might have disintegrated. Or it's probably over there somewhere. But holy crap. And that thing had some kickback. Thank you, channel members. I really appreciate your guys' support. I have some temporary stickers here with your name. It's hard to see here, but this is just temporary. I got some permanent stickers coming real soon. Thank you.